Happy birthday, dear Emily.
Thank you, Elvis. Where's my birthday gift?
There is no gift for you. But I have some surprise guests.
Oh, really? Can't wait to meet them.
There they are. This is Papa Joy.
Oh, what an amazing party!
This is Mama Wonder. Wow, you look pretty in that dress. And meet the kids. This is Sister Pitty.
Oh dear, did I hurt you?
And this is Brother Shane.
Ouch! It really hurts.
As we just saw the interjections. Oh, wow. Oh dear. Ouch. Express strong feelings or emotions. They're followed by an exclamation mark. We make most use of interjections while we speak. Let's see some more examples. Hooray! We have our summer holidays from tomorrow. Yippee! We are going for a movie. Phew! The rain stopped finally. Oops! I spilled the juice.
Oh, Elvis, this is the best gift I could ever receive. Thank you so much, my friend.
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.